curly friends. I'm trying something new here, just a new little intro. So I'm saying curly friends. So tell me how that sounds. Tell me if you like being called a curly friend in the comment section below. I wanted to switch it up and try something other than hey y'all, hey guys. So I hope you like curly friends for all my naturals out there. So as you can see, my hair is already in a deep conditioning state right now, and that's because I totally deleted the whole intro of my video. I got the very first part where it shows my hair in its natural state all picked out, and then after that I just totally deleted it by accident, so sorry. So today's video, as you can see, this is a wash day video. I thought I would give myself a little bit of a spa treatment for my hair today. A perfect and relaxing day for a wash day. And I've got some new products for you guys. This is really going to be a wash and style video more so than just a wash day routine. So we'll have a nice hairstyle completed at the end of the video. But I want to introduce you guys to a new brand for my channel and new products. So the company is called 4C Only. And before anybody says anything in the comments, girl, you ain't got no 4C hair. I already know I don't have 4C hair, but I got some 4s in there. May not be a C, but my hair is from a 3A curl pattern to a 4A, maybe B in some sections, but not as much as the 4A. So from 3A to 4A is pretty much my curl pattern. Now I do have a 2 curl type in the bang section of my hair because that part is very loose, but I have a combination of curl patterns. So there may be some 4C in there somewhere. I saw this brand just randomly on Instagram, and it was a natural hair brand I've never heard of, but the products look very intriguing. The packaging, very sleek, very just clean and simple packaging. And what also stood out to me is the way the packaging is packaged. So everything is in a jar. All of these are 12-ounce jars, so you do get a lot of product, which I love. I don't too much care for 8-ounce because that just kind of goes fast for me. So I like that I do get a little bit more product. This is a black-owned brand, which is another reason why I purchased the products. The products are all formulated to give your hair great hydration, and these products are kink-friendly. I know these products are geared and targeted and marketed for 4C hair, but it's my money. If I want to buy it, I want to buy it. If I want to try it, I want to try it. Okay, let me stop playing. When I received these products, I was pretty excited because I'd never seen a shampoo in a jar before. To my knowledge, I don't know any other brand that shampoo was in a jar. So that was different, pretty cool and unique. The conditioners and the styler that they have is solid packed in the jar. You get a lot of product in the jar, pretty packed in there, and I really love a nice, thick, heavy, creamy conditioner. So let me just show you what these products look like. So there are 4 products total in this collection, and the product consistency of each product is creamy and thick. Now, I've already had a chance to use these products, and my hair really likes them. My hair is left very soft and moisturized, and the slippery M and the deep conditioner and the styler is the best when it comes to prepping and styling my hair. But starting with the 2 Clean shampoo, the highlighted ingredient is aloe vera for a moisturizing cleanse. The 2 Thick Deep conditioner has slippery M to easily detangle your kinks. The 2 Soft leave-in conditioner has squalane to protect and add shine. And the 2 Slick styling cream has carnauba wax for soft hold with less frizz. The instructions say section your hair in twists and apply shampoo to the scalp and massage thoroughly from scalp to the ends, which is a new method for me. I've never tried shampooing my hair like that before, but I'm going to follow the instructions like they say. So like I said earlier, I've already dabbled in these products, and I can tell you that yes, your hair does need to be soaking wet when using the shampoo and the deep conditioner because they create such a thickness on your hair that I had to keep using my water bottle. This would be easier done in the shower, but my bathroom lighting and the setup is not up to par yet. The shampoo has a decent slip, but it's not wowing to me. It's a very cleansing product with no strip factor. It's gentle, but a little of the shampoo goes a very long way. And you'll see as I go just how thick and foamy it'll get. The texture of the shampoo goes from this creamy to foamy texture. It definitely clings to my hair, and I feel like my hair absorbs it pretty well. Next up is the 2 Thick Deep conditioner. I love the scoopability of these products, but it is a downfall if you're a very heavy-handed person. This time I'll section my hair into 2 parts, and I'm just going to plaster this deep conditioner all over my hair and then comb it through and leave it in for 15 minutes with heat. It specifically says don't leave it in for more than an hour and rinse with warm water, but I'm going to rinse it with cool water, and I'll make a video as to the reason I started doing that, rinsing with cool as opposed to warm water. Now the deep conditioner definitely has slip, and it's due to that slippery M that is so amazing, and you can feel that slipperiness as soon as you get ready to scoop it out of the jar. It's a very moisturizing product, penetrating. There's nothing more satisfying than a deep conditioner that just clumps and clings to every strand of your curl and weighs it down. It feels and smells so good. All of these products smell the same, and they smell so good. Y'all see this hang time? Yep, y'all see it. Yep, y'all see this hang time. Y'all see that my hair is definitely sprouting and growing, more so in the back. The front is still, oh my gosh, it's still giving me a little struggle, but it's definitely growing in the back. It's just very hard for the front of my hair to catch up to the back. I don't know why that is. It's always been that way. Before I get into the styling process, I'm going to go in with a little Donna's Recipe strength oil, give myself a good scalp massage, put my hair in a few twists, and leave it under a plastic cap for about 15 minutes, and just let that marinate into my hair and scalp. Last is the styling process. I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner first, and then the styling cream on top, and use my detangler to work both products thoroughly through, and repeat on the other half of my hair. I wish the leave-in conditioner also contains slippery M, because it kind of feels like it's sitting on my hair until I apply the styling cream, and that's when that slip comes in and really makes a difference on the overall feel and look of my hair for the final style. Now I can stop right here and leave this in a protective style, but I'm going to let this dry, unravel my twist for the final look. But the great thing about this style is I could easily retwist this section and put it back in a protective style for both day and night. So I have my little poofy curly bang just hanging to the side. So I thoroughly enjoyed these products from 4C Only. Of the 4 products, I would have to say my most favorite would be the deep conditioner and the styling cream. I love these 2 in particular because of the amazing slip that it gave for my styling as well as deep conditioning. The slippery M is in both of these products, and you can definitely feel it. You can definitely feel the slip, the moisture, but overall I love all 4. I love the whole collection, and these are products I would definitely recommend, especially if you have 4C hair. But it still works great even if you don't have 4C. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me use these products from 4C Only. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.